G'day, it's fugitive Australian journalist Shane Dowling from the website and YouTube channel Kangaroo Court of Australia. Now, Bruce Lehrmann is back up to his old tricks, lying and deceiving the Federal Court of Australia, this time trying to extend his appeal out to August next year. And that happened today in the Federal Court of Australia in Sydney, Wednesday the 6th of November 2024. The Sydney Morning Herald wrote an article on it, and I'll just read you out a little bit of the article. And it starts off, a Sydney lawyer acting for Bruce Lehrmann in his defamation appeal has taken the unusual step of writing the name of his proposed barrister on a piece of paper handed to the judge to avoid revealing the identity in open court. Lawyer Zali Burrows, representing Lehrmann, told the federal court in Sydney on Wednesday that the senior barrister wished to remain unnamed at this stage to avoid being trolled or harassed, for example, as I've experienced. Why can't you tell me? Can you write it on a piece of paper? Justice Wendy Abraham asked. Yes, I can, Burrows said. She said she had not formally briefed the Silk, which is a barrister, or a junior counsel who may act for Lehrmann, but would do so after a hearing date for the appeal was set. Burrows told the court that counsel would not be available for a hearing in March, but would be available in August. Now, last time we was in court a few weeks ago, the judge, Justice Abraham, told the parties that she had time in March next year. But Lehrmann's lawyer, Zali Burrows, told the court today that their phantom barrister, who we don't know who it is, doesn't have time in March next year, but has time in August. Now, I think this is deliberately relevant to Bruce Lehrmann's rape trial in Queensland. He wouldn't want the appeal to go ahead and a judgment handed down against him, if it's going to be against him, and I believe it will be, before his rape trial in Queensland, because that way it could potentially affect the jury in Queensland if they see the media reports that he's failed on his appeal. By having it still outstanding by the time he goes ahead with his rape charge in Queensland, he can argue at the rape trial, or at least it's in the jury's mind potentially, that the appeal's still outstanding and he's challenging and he's got a good chance of winning. He'll tell the court, if he can tell the court that, I don't know if he will, but if the jury are aware of what's happening in the media and aware of what's happening with the appeal, they'll say, well, at least it's still outstanding. So I don't think he has a barrister. I think Zali Burrows is bullshitting the court myself. And that's why they came up with a scam where they saying that, oh, we don't want to name the barrister because they're worried they'll get trolled on social media. Well, who cares if they get trolled? They all do get trolled. There's nothing new about that. And that bit of article I read out was on the Sydney Morning Herald website, so you can go to their website and read the full article, which has a bit more information. I don't think Bruce Lehrmann should have been allowed to appeal his judgment, given he lied and bullshitted so much in the original trial. But as I've said before, the good thing about him being allowed to appeal is the fact that it should put to bed some of the supporters he still has. It should shut them up. Although some of them will never shut up, no matter what happens, because they know he's guilty, but they don't care. And please hit the like and subscribe button, and please share this video on social media and Kangaroo Court of Australia's independent media. So please support my Patreon account or PayPal account, because I'm 100% crowdfunded from viewers like yourself. Other than that, thank you for your time and have a good day.